to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot, I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop, and I can't stop, and I can't stop.
What's up guys, today I'm going to go through and show you this new money transition pack which is now available to download using the link in the description. I worked with a 3D artist on this one to create some really detailed money transitions and I think they turned out really cool. This pack also comes as an overlay so you can use them in different editing softwares, not just Final Cut Pro as a plugin. So once you've installed the transitions, they'll show up here over here in your transitions tab, which you can easily drag and drop onto your video clips. And it comes with 12 transitions in total. I'm going to go through a few tips on how to use them, and you can also mix and match the transitions as well. So here I have a couple of video clips on my timeline, and to add a transition, what I'm going to do is just drag and drop onto the video clips. And if I play this back, then you can see how it works. So if I click on the transition, there's a few parameters up here on the right hand side. You can also reverse the transitions to give a different look. And then say I wanted to combine two different transitions, what I can do is bring the second video clip up above the first one with the transition added, and then click on the top video clip on the side, and we can just choose another transition, double click to add that, adjust the timing to create different effects. So now we have the rotation effect mixed with the second transition, and this way it mixes the two transitions to create new effects. And you can also do it the other way around. If you wanted to bring this one above the second video clip, then it brings the second transition to the background. So let's add another one. Let's add on this $100 bill full effect. I play that back. Really unique looking transitions, and because these were created in a 3D software, the detail on these is super high quality. You could even see like the creases in the paper. Just a super cool transition. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check this product out. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video.